Hi, I'm Cole Tanner. Today we're going to talk about the basics of your HR230 and everything you need to know to get your unit up and running. So as you can see, first thing you need to do is unbox your HR230. I've got everything spread out on the table here that's going to be included. The first thing I would tell you is everything that we're going to cover in this video can also be found in the quick start guide that's in the box. There's a bunch of great information here, all about the modes of operation. Also, you can see, and it goes through how to set it up properly in a tree stand and a ground blind. This is a great thing to read through, and it will just reiterate everything that we're talking through in this video. So obviously, first thing we're gonna really look at is the HR230. So when you take this unit out of the box, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure to take that standard battery out, and you need to take the sticker that's covering the terminals. This battery is going to be shipped with a 30% charge. So you need to make sure to charge this battery up before you take it out hunting for the first time. When you charge up that battery, when you first plug in that charger, you're going to know the charger is getting power because the light here is going to turn green. When I drop that battery in the charger, the light's going to go from green to red. When the battery is fully charged, it's going to go back to green again. So when we first plug it in, it's going to go green. We drop the battery and it's going to go red. When it's fully charged, it's going to go back green again. The other thing to make sure you do is you need to take that easy mount and you're going to want to connect it on the quarter 20 on the bottom of the unit using an Allen wrench. All right, so from there, once that battery is fully charged and it goes green, pull it out and you're ready to start using that unit. The thing I would tell you to remember is the standard battery is going to run for 5 hours on standard mode and 4 hours on boost mode. So like I said, we're going to put the battery in here and I'll just go through the basics of how the unit works. So we've got 4 buttons on the HR230. We're going to have the power button, we're going to have the mode button, battery indicator, and also a light button. So when we turn this unit on, it's always going to start in standard mode. So it's going to go through its startup sequence. You can see it's in standard mode now. When I press it the second time, it's going to go to boost mode. If I press it one more time, it's going to go to dry wash mode. The dry wash mode is going to run for 18 minutes and then it's going to automatically shut the unit off. The other thing that's pretty handy is I really like the light button. It's going to light up 2 green LEDs, which is great if it's you're out there in the morning, you just need a little bit of light in the stand to get everything set up. That's pretty handy. And then obviously we've got our battery indicator button, so we can press that at any time to see where we're at on battery. So we've got a full battery. And again, the power button is going to turn the unit on and off. So once again, it's going to go through its shutdown sequence and you're good to go. So like you said, make sure you take that sticker off those terminals, make sure you charge that battery all the way up. We went through the modes of operation. You're ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching our video today on the basics of your HR230 and everything you need to know to get yourself out in the field. If you have any other questions, jump on our website at ozonixhunting.com or feel free to give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again and good luck out there.